everyone, welcome back. My Happy Paper People subscription box is here, and this is their February box. So let's see what's in it, shall we? If I'm not mistaken, I believe she is doing an opening on her channel tonight of this. Maybe she was going to craft with it. I don't actually remember right now, but I will be watching if I possibly can. Oh, I like this paper. So, we got another one of these zip-up bags. Y'all know I sell these in my sales because I don't use them, but oh, this is cool. It's wide washi tape and it's got a typewriter on it. Oh my heavens, a Jack in the Box. This is so cool. This is going to be great on some little snippets and stuff. Yeah, I like that. Got these little Saturday Evening Post. I'm assuming these are like things that you make small collages and stuff with. Let's see. Well, it looks like a Sears catalog, but anyway. Yeah, it's just little pictures that probably came from the Saturday Evening Post, and they shrunk them down. Oh, I love this little. I just love the Campbell's baby. Well, that's what it looks like to me. Oh, paper doll, cute. These are gonna make some adorable collages. Oh, I love them. So there's a variety of different. Wow, this is a thick one. I'll never use all this, guys. I will never use all of this. But I'll have fun playing with it while I'm trying. Next I have The Pursuit of Happiness. I am going to have to get dizzy. Lindy K Designs and Diane Ditzenberg just started a new series on Diana's channel. I'm assuming they're going to go to everybody's channel or switch off. Mr. Pete says thank you for the truffle. But it's called Stack Your Stash. And I have so much ephemera around here. I think I'm going to try and do it with them. And no, I'm not going to say I'm going to copy them, but basically I'm copying them. If I can, I will do some videos showing how I'm stacking my stash. But it's just make a head ephemera, using up what you have. Oh, cool. This is the parchment paper. Cool. I haven't seen these yet. I haven't bought any of these yet, so yeah, I like this. I will use this a lot. A whole lot. Because I love anything that something under shows through. So yeah, The Pursuit of Happiness. This is cute. I will use that a lot. Next up is Bill Memories. I will be reminded of my bills. Especially now with Dr. Bill's good gravy. My next life I'm coming back as a doctor. Heavens to Betsy, they make some money. So these are like little stamps. Oh, how cute. How adorable. But they're not like bill bills. They're like billboard things, you know, like movie bills. I like it. Yeah, I like these. Oh, I love that they've got the shine on them. If y'all haven't noticed, this box is perfect for clustering. So, yeah, it would probably get used up fast because I haven't used the other two yet. But I'm trying. Come on, go back in there. Go back in there. Please go back in there. You came out, you have to go back. My mom used to say, you're not holding your mouth right, apparently. Look at there. It went in. So what's next? Next I have Retro. And I'm not going to open this one because I think this one will be able to give away. It's all these different ladies, and I have so many of these already. And it's just showing different retro outfits. So this will probably go in a giveaway because, like I said, I have so many of them. Oh, is this what I think it is? I think it is. Let me see. PVC Punch. 9.5 by 13. Did y'all see one? Oh, this is it. I think. You know what? I might give these bags to the boys to keep their little Legos and stuff in. There we go. I just gave a little solution for these bags. Well, that's a stencil. Yeah, it says a stencil under Ciabella Stencil Retro Records. Cool, I like that. Oh, I like this envelope. PVA Punch, 9.5 by 30 pouch. That was that plastic pouch. Okay, these will likely also go in a giveaway. I just have too much retro paper. I have this. It's pretty. This is really pretty in journals, guys. So that's going to go in a giveaway. And it says, pack of retro papers in twine. That's this. So there's very much of it in here. And that's also going to go in a giveaway because I have a lot of it. Blue box of retro stamp stickers. Retro washi tape, I got that. Saturday Evening Post. Mini box cords. Blue box of retro stamps. Set of 3 blending brushes. Yep. Oh, I almost forgot. I took those out, but here they are. These are so cool. I love these. I use the heck out of them. Stamp Period Retro Swirl Stamp. Yep. That's what that one was. And I do have it. Retro Lady Stickers. Pursuit of Happiness. Mini Book of Vellum. I think I'm going to look for those because I'm pretty sure I'm going to use that up pretty fast. One Utah Truffle Dark Chocolate. I just absolutely cannot stand truffle, so Peter's getting that. One Retro Craft and Black Polka Dot Tissue Paper, 20 by 30. Ho ho, yes, that's a big piece there. I'm going to fold this up and put it right back down in here so it doesn't get messed up. Don't flip your lid when I tell you the news. That's so cute. But she has a YouTube channel. She has a Facebook group. So if you're interested in getting her subscription box each month, just message her and let her know, and she'll send you the link of where to sign up for it. But yeah, hey guys, I may even just reuse her box. You're not getting that tissue paper. I might get part of it. I'm just going to stick everything in here for right now because I'm not able to. I'm not going to put this back in there because I'm going to lay this under a book so it flattens out. But yeah, you know, if you're interested in getting it, she sends a huge selection of items every month, and it's, you know, it's not geared toward one particular project is what I like the most about it. Let's say for February, most people would have done just a box of Valentines. But this one, you can use it for many different projects. So, yeah, I highly suggest you get in touch with her. Check it out. See if it's something you like. And watch her videos on her channel, Happy Paper People. As, you know, she shows every box she's done. And decide for yourself if that's something you would be interested in doing. And then you can subscribe by the month or annually. So, you know, try it 1 month. If you want to make sure it's worth the value. I'm telling you now, it's a pretty good box. And you will get more projects out of one box than you ever thought you could do. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I am going to be putting up the video on the cover. I have to do a bit more editing on it because I made a bunch of videos ahead of time. And I haven't edited any of them because, as you know, I've been up and down. And I have had a second stroke now, so, you know, it's fun trying to do physical therapy every day of the week now. So, I'm doing it not only at the physical therapy office, I am doing it at home, and I have joined a gym so that I can do extra because I am determined, absolutely determined. So guys, run on over to Happy Paper People, okay? Check her out. If I'm not mistaken, tonight at 8 Eastern, I guess it's Eastern, I don't know what time zone, I didn't look. But she's going to be doing an unboxing, so check her out, even though I already did one. Oops. Bye-bye.